Hello everybody, my name is Rebel, and I don't know what's happening right now.
Gunshots is gonna solve a 3x3.
Oh, okay.
And
I
we are
have no
also,
idea what you guys were doing.
So we have Rebel, our dad, Gunshots, and Rebel's amazingly wonderful brother.
Yeah, shout out to him. What's your
dad?
YouTube channel name? His name is
I don't have a YouTube.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, well, you gotta have a YouTube to subscribe and like.
Yeah, or you can
Something.
just mention their name.
Yeah, but anyways, this is already past like 30 seconds, so let's just start.
Alright, so
he
we
is
got
going to solve a cube.
a stopwatch in my watch.
Really? Here.
I'll time it.
Alright.
You can press start to start.
Alright,
Ready?
one person. 3.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Se nota que lo usa el reloj. Porque ya está en la edad que lo usa, pues ya no. Se nota.
Don't worry, dude. The whole internet is gonna see it.
Ya te metieron en YouTube.
No pressure.
Famosa.
Dad, taste it.
Hold up. My hands are like really shaky today.
Good, right?
Let me get a good angle.
Sweet.
Trust me, if you...
Here, we got the whites and the first layer.
Trust
37 seconds. Pressure, dude. Give it pressure.
The whole internet's gonna see how good your cubing skills are.
I know. And I'm sorry for the speed cubers watching this. Right. Probably really cringy. Because I'm not playing fast.
1 minute.
Oh.
Didn't see me?
2 minutes video. And look at that. Second layer.
Okay.
Third layer with some other stuff.
From there on, it's downhill. That's why he knows what's up. Boom. Minute 25.
Oh, that's better than your last.
Dude.
That's better than your last. Last time he did it, it was 1 minute
1 minute
55.
and 5 seconds.
Yeah, 1 minute 55 seconds. So everybody, this has been Rebel. Rebel's amazing brother, our dad, and Gunshots.
He refuses to show his face.
For some reason.
Gotcha? Why?
Also, I'm gonna update the intro
Facial
and
recognition
some stuff.
Yeah, because I'm not really
go to
putting my intro in
You go to Walmart?
my videos anymore.
They got the best face recognition software in the
Hey,
country.
Walmart does?
Walmart.
Walmart?
You go in there, they know exactly
Rebel's
who you
amazing
are.
brother.
Oh.
Really? What?
So, wanna know what's crazy?
Cameras. Walmart has the most cameras. And
Oh, I forgot what I was gonna say. Never mind.
Yeah, the Zoom is bugging out. Hold on. Alright, everybody. This has been Rebel and blah blah blah. I already said that. Thank you all for watching, and we're gonna see you in the next video. Peace out.